is good technique I'm showing you. Take the auger, locate it on the X. See how I'd push down on that? Start here. And then finish here. When that screw penetrates the other side, before that screw penetrates the other side. By the way, I'm not pushing here. Okay? But when that screw penetrates the other side, you're going to hear the RPM increase because it's not working anymore. It's done the job. And I'm going to actually be start to pull up to avoid it from pulling itself through from friction. Did you see? Now there's enough wood there, unless you push, there's enough wood, especially if you're supporting it in the other direction, it will not blow out. It will not explode out.
Okay? So you don't push any time at all? It just
No.
does it.
No. This does the pulling. This screw pulls it through. If there's a knot, if there's a knot in there, the screw won't pull through. Then you have to push.
A little bit.
Yeah. Now, one thing I didn't say is when we're laying out the peg hole and there's a knot there, you do your best to try to change that position. Because watch over here. No, it didn't cooperate. I did not push on that. It just pulled itself through. Not usually the case, though.
The one behind you.
Ah! Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Was that a pun when you said not usually the case?
But you see how it's going itself? I'm not pushing on this. I mean, if I tried to do that, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Sharp new auger.
I mean, look at how clean that is. It's doing... So this is an 1.25 bit. This is an 1.5 mortise. You can do this with an 1.5 bit. So a couple of things. 4 inches deep. You want to know where that is. On here. So hang on to it. Hang on to it. It's going to move around a bit.
bit more chiseling also.
So that's the only thing that's different. And now you chisel.
More chisel.
That's it. A little more chisel. Yeah. A little more chisel. And for this kind of work, if you're going to do this, if you're going to go this way, you don't have to have a corner chisel. This chisel has two blades like this. So it does the corner. You don't have to have one, but there is a specific tool for corners like that.